Hey guys, Matthew's back, and I'm doing my third video. So today we're going to be going on Hypixel and playing some build battle. I'm not very good at building, so if you think I suck, then I suck, and write that in the comments. Just don't be the rude guy about it. Be nice and give me some ways to improve, because I always want to be the best guy and do things. Okay, so we're building dodgeball. Great. Okay, so we're building dodgeball. Okay, so I don't know how to do this. I'm just going to build a dodgeball arena with balls flying around. I'm not going to build a people because that's just going to take forever and I'm going to run out of time. But I'll try and do my best and hopefully, yeah, I'll do good. Hold on. Say hi to YouTube. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna build a dodgeball court, see what I can do, and like, subscribe, and comment, show some love. Okay, does that look even? That looks about even. Okay, now I just have to change all of this to red, which is gonna take forever, but I got 2 minutes to do this side and then another 2 minutes to do the other side. Yay. Okay. Trying to do this as fast as I can. Okay, guys. Show love. 1 like equals 1 win. I hope. Yay. Okay. This is gonna take for friggin' ever. Oh, hold on. I can make this go quicker. If I do that. Oh, now I have to do the middle again. That's okay, then I'll just do one side blue. Okay, that won't take too long. I'll be faster than the other way. That looks even again. Wow. Okay, I can't believe I'm doing this. Normally, I would have like 2 blocks done, but since I'm on YouTube, I have a lot of pressure. Okay. 1 like equals 1 win. Let's do this. Come on. Come on. Gotta do this. I have 3 minutes. I don't know if I can do this. Guys, 1 like equals more time to do things. Oh my gosh. Hey, I just realized this is American colors. American flag. It's cool. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, but you guys, again, just write in the comments what you want me to do. I'll try and do it. I have an Xbox. I'm playing on my PC right now. On my last 2 videos, I was doing Pocket Edition on my phone, which was fun with my buddy, Matthew. My name is also Matthew, by the way. So, yeah, oh, fridge, I have 2 minutes. Just that much left. Oh my gosh. Why do I have to build dodgeball? Why? Why not something else? Let's go. I don't think I'm gonna make it, guys. I think I'm gonna get like last place. I think I'm only gonna be able to do the court. Oh no, that's not good. I wish I had a helper right now. I'm not gonna make it. There's 1 minute and 20 seconds left. I don't know if I can do it. 1 like equals 1 win. I hope. Should be. The more support I get, the more confidence I get, I can't talk. The more confidence I get, the more luck I have of winning. 1 like. Just 1 like. 1 minute. No. Guys, I don't think I can do it. I don't think I can do it. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 40 seconds. Nope, I can't do it. I can't do it, guys. I can't do it. I tried my best. 30 seconds. Oh no. why did I do blue and red? I should have just done a black line in the middle and then just white the whole place. It's okay, I tried adding more detail. It's okay. I gotta break that block. Wasn't able to finish. I mean, I guess it's okay. I mean, he's not holding a ball or anything. I mean, this was mine. Please, goodness. I mean, this is not bad. He made outs. I think that's good. I think that's good. What is this? Sorry, person, but I'm doing poop on this. Mythalian, I'm very sorry. And I'm also sorry if I pronounced your name wrong. Ooh, this isn't bad. Oh, I like this. That's epic. Nobody's saying hi to YouTube. They're being so disrespectful. Why are they on fire? This isn't dodgeball. I'm sorry, XX Laser Crew 911, but you didn't do good. This isn't bad. This isn't bad. There's a flying ball. That's okay, I guess. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Dishku. I'm not sure what those things are. Oh, you're supposed to flick the levers for them to shoot, and then it shoot. Oh yeah, I guess that's okay. It's not a bad idea. I'm not sure about this line back here, so I'm sorry, Mine Rene HD, but it's poop, and I'm also sorry if I said your name wrong. This is what I wanted to do, except the whole thing, so I'm doing good on that, 'cause that was kind of my idea, except bigger. Okay, I guess that's okay. Okay, well, you guys, there's 2 minutes left in the video, so 10th place. Okay, well, that's gonna be today's video. Leave a like. And one more thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys the server IP address for Hypixel. This is the server, so pause the video right now, write it down on your PC, and join some games with me. I mean, I'd be happy to play with you guys. So yeah, that's all for today. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment of what you want me to play, and thank you so much for the support. See you guys next time.